The Samsung Galaxy M32 will be one of the South Korean firm's next mid-range smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy M family prepares to welcome a new member. It is a mid-range model that has just been almost completely filtered, showing an impressive battery and a Super AMOLED screen, Samsung's mid-range brand. We are going to tell you the specifications and technical characteristics of this new model. So will the Samsung Galaxy M32. The Samsung Galaxy M32. It will be a device with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with full HD+ resolution. It will have some considerable frames and a drop notch. At the rear, it will follow the line of the M family with a plastic finish and a fingerprint reader on the side. At the processor level, according to the leaked information, this Galaxy M32 will have a MediaTek Helio G85, an entry-level processor accompanied by 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. There will also be a more humble configuration, 4 plus 64GB, in both cases expandable via microSD cards. The Samsung Galaxy M32 will continue the line of having a great battery. It will bet on a huge battery of 6000 mAh. Important will be its 4 cameras. 48 megapixel main sensor, 8 wide-angle and 2 megapixel secondary cameras, macro and depth. The selfie will be a 20 megapixel camera inside the drop notch. To power the set, a 6000 mAh battery is expected. This phone is expected to hit the market in the coming days, so we will be attentive to its official presentation to see if the prediction is fulfilled. This M32 will come to relieve the Samsung Galaxy M31, so it is more than likely that it will end up landing all over the world.